Sorry. Good afternoon, everybody. So yesterday we started De Moivre's theorem, 7 marks question. Now the some more questions I'm going to explain. Just continue the class. If n is an integer, this is the question. If n is an integer, and z is equal to 6 theta, and z is equals to 6 theta, then prove that z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1 is equals to I tan n theta, is equals to I tan n theta. Most important question. So we have to prove like this. What is given here? N is an integer and z is equal to 6 theta is given. So solution goes like this. Given z is equals to 6 theta. If you expand 6 theta, it is cos theta plus I sin theta. Keep it aside. Now take LHS. LHS implies z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1. Now substitute what is z here? Z means 6 theta whole to the power 2n minus 1 by 6 theta whole power 2n plus 1. To remove the power, what we have to do? Apply De Moivre's theorem. Apply De Moivre's theorem. So this is 6 2n theta minus 1 by 6 2n theta plus 1. Now expand this 2n theta. This 2n theta is cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta minus 1 by what is the denominator? Same. This 2n theta means cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta plus 1. Now put real parts together. The real parts are cos 2n theta minus 1 plus I into sin 2n theta divided by denominator also real part cos 2n theta plus 1 plus I sin 2n theta. In numerator, we know 1 minus cos 2 theta formula. Take minus common. If we take minus common, this becomes 1 minus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta divided by, this is also right in the same format, 1 plus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta. Now, minus as it is, cos 1 minus cos 2n theta is 2 sin square n theta plus I into sin 2n theta can be written as 2 sin n theta cos n theta by 1 plus cos 2n theta is 2 cos square n theta plus I into sin 2n theta again 2 sin n theta cos n theta. In the next step, write minus is I square. We know I square is equal to minus 1. So substitute this value. So the step becomes I square 2 sin square n theta plus, we'll write in the next page, see here, we know what we know. I square is equal to minus 1. So I square into 2 sin square n theta plus I into 2 sin n theta cos n theta by write the denominator as it is 2 cos square n theta plus I into 2 sin n theta cos n theta. Any common in the numerator? 2 common, I common, sin n theta common. So what left here? I sin n theta plus cos n theta left out. In the denominator, what is common? 2 cos n theta common. So what left here? Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. 2 cancel. So left out one is I into sin n theta by cos n theta. So I into sin by cos is what? Tan n theta. This is nothing but RH. So like this, we have to find out. The main thing, a minus value you have to replace by this minus value we have to replace by I square. That is important. Just go through the question. Next question. This is also another type of important questions. If n is an integer, if n is an integer, show that 1 plus I whole power 2n plus 1 minus I whole power 2n is equals to 2 to the power n plus 1 cos n pi by 2. 2 to the power n plus 1 cos n pi by 2. So first to take one part and simplify, then take the another part. Solution. We want the value of 1 plus I whole to the power n. So first what you have to write? Mod amplitude form of 1 plus I is equals to what is mod amplitude form? R into cos theta plus I sin theta. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. First, here in 1 plus I, R is equals to under root of x square plus y square. So mod amplitude form of x plus iy is equals to 1 plus I is R is equals to under root of x square plus y square. So under root of 1 square plus 1 square, R is equals to root 2. Then next theta we want. Theta formula tan inverse y by x. So x is 1, y is 1. So tan inverse of 1 by 1. Tan inverse of 1. So theta is equals to tan, which angle is 1? 45 degrees. Now, Go to mod amplitude form. 1 plus I is equals to root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. I sin pi by 4. We want 1 plus I whole to the power n. So apply whole power n, root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power n. Root 2 means 2 power 1 by 2, write whole power n separate, and inside what left? Cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power n. So this is 2 to the power n by 2. 2 to the power n by whole to the power 2n we want to apply. So here whole to the power 2n. So it means half of 2 to the power 2n by 2. If you apply by de Moivre's theorem, this power becomes multiple. Cos 2n pi by 4 plus I sin 2n pi by 4. Here 2 and 2 getting cancelled. So 2 to the power n into cos 2 1s are 2 2s are n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2. This is of what value? 1 plus I whole to the power 2n. Take this is equation 1. Next, another term is what? 1 minus I whole power 2n. We need not find out. Just write similarly. This is the similarly symbol. Similarly, 1 minus I whole to the power 2n is what? 2 to the power n into cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. Take it as equation 2. Now add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. 1 LHS is 1 plus I whole power 2n and 2 LHS is 1 minus I whole power 2n. Both of them 2 power n common. So cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. I sin cancel. So 2 to the power n into 2 into cos n pi by 2. If bases are same, power should be added. 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 2. This is what he is asking, right? So continue this. Similar type, there is one more question. We move to the next question. If n is a positive integer, if n is a positive integer, show that 1 plus I whole power n plus 1 minus I whole power n is equals to 2 to the power n plus 2 by 2 into cos n pi by 4. 2 to the power n plus 2 by 2 into cos n pi by 4. Solution. First, let x plus iy is equals to 1 plus I. Now, write mod amplitude form. Mod amplitude form of 1 plus I is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So what is r? Under root of x square plus y square. That is 1 square plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 root 2. Theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y value is 1 and x value also 1. So we are getting tan inverse of 1. So theta is equals to tan, which angle is 1? Pi by 4. Keep this aside. Next. Now, we want to find out 1 plus I. 1 plus I is what? R into. R means root 2 into cos theta. Theta means pi by 4 plus I sin theta also pi by 4. We want 1 plus I whole to the power n. Apply whole power n. Root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power n. So this is root 2 power n into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power n. Now, by De Moivre's theorem, root 2 means 2 power 1 by 2. So root 2 whole power n is 2 power n by 2 into cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4. This power becomes multiple of the angle. This is of what value? 1 plus I whole to the power n. Take it as equation 1. Similarly, the other part. What is the other part? Similarly, 1 minus I whole to the power n, what can we write? 2 to the power n by 2 cos n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4. Take it as equation 2. 1 plus 2. So 1 plus I whole power n plus 1 minus I whole power n is equals to both of them common 2 power n by 2. So what left here? Cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4 plus cos n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4. Any cancellations here? I sin n pi by 4, I sin n pi by 4 cancel is equals to 2 power n by 2 cos n pi by 4 plus cos n pi by 4. 2 cos n pi by 4. So bases are same, power should be added. So 2 to the power n by 2 plus 1 into cos n pi by 4. But our answer is not like this. So here what he did, take LCM 2, it becomes n plus 2 cos n pi by 4. So like how we have to find. Yeah, come on, copy down. Move to the next question. Move to the next question. If alpha, beta are the roots of the equation, if alpha, comma, beta are the roots of the equation, x square minus 2x plus 4 is equals to 0, then show that alpha power n plus beta power n is equals to 2 to the power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. The concept is same, something power n plus something power n, but here alpha and beta are given. Previous question, 1 plus I and 1 minus I complex roots are given. So here what is the given hint? Alpha and beta are the roots of x square minus 2x plus 4. First we'll find out the roots of the equation. Solution. Given that alpha, comma, beta are the roots of x square minus 2x plus 4 is equals to 0. We are not getting factors. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Inside write a value is 1, x square coefficient. B value is x coefficient minus 2. C value is constant. Now substitute the values. Minus of minus 2 plus or minus under root b square means minus 2 whole square minus 4ac by 2a, 2 into 1. So 2 plus or minus under root 4 minus 16 by 2. So 2 plus or minus under root of minus 12 by 2. So 2 plus or minus under root of minus is I square and 12 right 4 into 3 divided by what is there 2. Now see. Two plus or minus under root of I square is I, under root of 4 is 2, root 3 by 2. Take 2 common. 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So x is equals to what we got? 1 plus or minus I root 3. These are the roots of the given equation. But in the question, the roots of the equation is already given. What are the roots of the equation? Alpha and beta. So here what to do? But given that alpha, comma, beta are the roots of x square minus 2x plus 4 is equals to 0. So let alpha is equals to 1 minus I root 3 and beta is equals to 1 plus I root 3. We want to find out alpha power n plus beta power n. So mod amplitude form of 1 minus I root 3 we will find out. So 1 minus I root 3 is equals to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Sorry, cos theta minus I sin theta. So come on, r is equals to under root of x square plus y square. X is 1, y is minus root 3. So 1 square is 1 plus minus root 3 whole square is 3. Under root of 4 is 2. R value we got it as what? 2. Next what we want? Theta. Theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So generally to remove this confusion what we do? Take alpha is positive and beta is negative. 1 minus I root 3. Now mod amplitude form of this becomes, it will be plus. Theta is tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y is root 3 by 1. Tan inverse root 3. Tan which angle is root 3? Tan 60 degrees. 60 degrees can be written as what? Pi by 3. Therefore, what is mod amplitude form? 1 plus I root 3 is equals to 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. We want 1 plus I root 3 whole to the power n. Now, 1 plus I root 3 whole to the power n is equals to 2 power n cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole to the power n. To remove power n, what to do? By De Moivre's theorem. 2 power n into cos, power becomes multiple of the angle. I sin n pi by 3. This is of what value? 1 plus I root 3 whole to the power n. This is nothing but what? Alpha power n. Take it as equation 1. Similarly, beta power n means 1 minus I root 3 whole to the power n. So 2 power n cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. Take it as equation 2. Add 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 implies. So what is 1 plus 2? Alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to, both of them take 2 power n common. So add both of them. Cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. I sin cancel. So 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3. 2 cos n pi by 3. So that is 2 to the power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. So like how we have to find out. Next. Another important question. If n is an integer, show that capital letters P plus IQ whole power 1 by n plus P minus IQ whole power 1 by n is equals to 2 times of p square plus q square whole to the power 1 by 2n into cos 1 by n tan inverse of q by p. 1 by n tan inverse of q by p. Now come on, solution. Here p plus iq whole power 1 by n. The general will write mod amplitude form of p plus iq. Solution. Let x plus iy is equals to p plus iq. Now we want mod amplitude form of p plus iq is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Here r means under root of x square plus y square. That is nothing but under root of x is p, y is q. So r is equals to what are we getting? P square plus q square under root means 1 by 2. Now theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y is q and x is p. Now go to the equation and substitute. So p plus iq is equals to r. R means p square plus q square to the power 1 by 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta. But what we want? P plus iq to the power 1 by n. Apply 1 by n power to both of them. So p square plus q square power 1 by 2 into cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power 1 by n. So separate the power. P square plus q square power 1 by 2 power 1 by n. And this becomes cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power 1 by n. To remove the power, what we have to do? By De Moivre's theorem. So this is p square plus q square power 1 by 2n into cos theta by n plus I sin theta by n. Take it as equation 1. This is of what value? P plus iq whole to the power 1 by n. Similarly, write the other one. Similarly, p minus iq whole power 1 by n is equals to p square plus q square power 1 by 2n into cos theta by n minus I sin theta by n. Take it as equation 2. Add 1 and 2. So if you add 1 and 2, left side p plus iq whole power 1 by n plus p minus iq whole power 1 by n is equals to both of them. What is common? In both of them, the common is p square plus q square whole to the power 1 by 2n common. So what left inside? Cos theta by n plus I sin theta by n plus cos theta by n minus I sin theta by n. Both I sin theta by n cancel. So p square plus q square power 1 by 2n cos theta by n, cos theta by n, 2 cos theta by n. So here a small step to simplify. Write 2 outside. P square plus q square power 1 by 2n as it is into cos 1 by n into theta. Theta means what value we got? Tan inverse q by p. So like this we have to prove. If you want to write 2 outside, or you can write 2 mid of the term. So this is how the proof goes. Just go through the question. Find all the roots of x to the power 11 minus x to the power 7 plus x to the power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. If we observe, it is 11th degree equation. Means how many roots we have to get? 11 roots we have to get. So it is difficult to solve. But there is a procedure by applying the De Moivre's theorem. It is easy to get it. Solution goes like this. Given equation. What is given equation? X power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. X power 7 common, x power 4 minus 1. From next two terms, take 1 common, x power 4 minus 1. So again, x power 4 minus 1 common, left out, x power 7 plus 1 is equals to 0. It means x power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0 and x power 7 plus 1 is equals to 0. So left side it is simple. Directly we can go for x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 we can write it as I square. So x is equal to plus or minus I. In the same way, x square is equal to 1. X is equals to plus or minus 1. Total how many roots we got? 4 roots we got. More how many we have to get? More 7 because it is 11th degree equation. Now, so from here x power 7 is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to what? Minus 1 to the power 1 by 7. So this we have to find out the general solution. X is equals to what is there? Minus 1 to the power 1 by 7. So is equals to minus 1, shall I write? Cos phi plus I sin phi. whole to the power 1 by 7. So the general solution of this is cos assist 2k plus 1 into pi whole to the power 1 by 7, where k is equals to, remember always, start from 0, take one lesser value of the denominator. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So by de Moivre's theorem, this becomes 2k plus 1 into pi by 7, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, if you take k is equal to 0, 1 value, so on, more 7 values you will be getting. So solution set, how you have to write? X is equals to, first we got plus or minus I, plus or minus 1. And if you put k is equal to 0, this pi by 7, k is equal to 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. This 3 pi by 7, k is equals to 2, 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5. This 5 pi by 7. Next, this 3 means 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 pi. So just pi. Next, 4. This 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 7. This 5, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 1, 11 pi by 7. This 6, 12 plus 1, 13 pi by 7. So like how the total, if you count all together, they are 11 roots. So any kind of higher degree equation, this is the way to find out the solution set. So for practice, some questions I'm giving here of similar kind. So you can practice them. X to the power 9 minus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. The second one, x minus 1 whole power n is equals to x to the power n. So apart from these questions, just add extra 2 questions in your practice list so that easily you can score a 7 marks. So with this, completed the de Moivre's theorem. We'll continue the next class with 4 marks questions. Almost all 7 marks questions completed, covered all the chapters. In the next class, I'm going to explain FAQ, short answer type questions of different chapters. Thank you.